When anger flares up suddenly, it can feel like a wave about to crash over you. In that heated moment, the key is not to suppress the emotion, but to find a healthy and immediate outlet for it so you can regain control. Here are three powerful techniques you can use when you feel that surge of anger. 1. Get rid of your anger. Create an audio record to let it go. Sometimes the most immediate need is to express the torrent of thoughts and feelings without directing them at another person. In this case, use BrainSugar.co's quick action tool. Get rid of your anger. Find a private space and hit record. Let everything out: the frustration, the unfairness, the raw, unfiltered rant. Don't censor yourself. The point is to empty your mind of the chaotic thoughts fueling the anger. The magic happens in two parts. First, the act of verbalizing your feelings is a release in itself. Second, and just as importantly, once you feel you have said all you need to say, save the recording and then delete it. This physical act of deleting the file serves as a powerful symbolic gesture. You have given the anger a voice, and now you are consciously choosing to let it go, freeing yourself from its grip. 2. Guided breathing meditation. Anger triggers our fight or flight response, which speeds up our heart rate and breathing. You can short circuit this physiological reaction by deliberately changing your breath. A guided breathing meditation is perfect for this, as it gives your mind a single, simple task to focus on instead of the source of your anger. You can find a short, 5 to 10-minute guided breathing exercise on BrainSugar.co by clicking on the quick action tool, Guided Breathing Meditation. A narrator will gently guide you to inhale slowly and exhale even more slowly. This focused breathing calms your nervous system, lowers your heart rate, and creates a small pocket of space between you and your reaction, allowing you to respond more thoughtfully rather than lashing out. 3. Guided anger management meditation. If the anger is persistent or deep-seated, a more targeted approach can be incredibly beneficial. A guided anger management meditation is designed specifically to help you acknowledge, process, and release the emotion in a constructive way. Unlike a simple breathing exercise, these sessions often walk you through visualizing the anger as a physical sensation or object, observing it without judgment, and then consciously allowing it to dissipate or transform. These meditations teach you to sit with the discomfort of anger without being controlled by it. They help you uncover what might be beneath the anger, such as hurt, fear, or feeling disrespected, and foster a sense of compassionate detachment. Making this a regular practice can not only help in the immediate moment, but also build your long-term resilience, helping you manage angry feelings more effectively when they arise in the future. Try our guided anger management meditation on BrainSugar.co by clicking on the Quick Action Tools meditation section. By having tools like these at your disposal, you empower yourself to navigate the sudden storm of anger with intention, protecting your well-being and your relationships.